Okay, good morning everyone. So today's Thursday, it's around 11 a.m. right now, and I've got three main goals for today. It's going to be a study day, and this is going to be a little study vlog. Firstly, I need to make a study schedule for planning out how I need to study and what I need to study every single day in order to be prepared for my exams in December. Secondly, I need to clear a lecture on the ear anatomy, so hopefully I'll get that done today. And after I get the ear lecture done, my third task is to clear one lecture regarding pharmacology. Probably gonna clear another autocoils or inflammation drug lecture, and if I get those three tasks done, then I'll be very happy and today will be a productive day. So without further ado, let's get straight into studying. So I finished making anki cards for the ear lecture, and this is what I usually do. I have this housekeeping Excel, and this keeps track of all the lectures that I've made cards for. Green means I've made cards and I've watched the lecture. Yellow means I've only made cards, have not watched the lecture. And red means I need to make cards and watch the lecture. So under HUS, which is the anatomy section, I have ear right here. This is the ear lecture. And what I do is I can change this to a Y, and this automatically changes this color, and it means that I've made cards but have not watched the lecture. And I'll also input today's date, and that's good. Yeah, so this is just a view of how I organize and track my work throughout the semester. In addition, up here I have totals, and so these are the number of lectures that I have to make cards for. Yellow means I've made cards but need to watch, and D means I'm completely done. So total 27 for HUS. And then in terms of physiology, yeah, it's a big yikes. So I need to make a plan for how to make sure I finish everything on time in time for exams. Just woke up from a 1 hour nap, and I still have a lot of work to get done. I still need to make a study schedule, and I also need to make anki cards for a pharmacology lecture. But this is what actually happened. From 3 to 4, instead of actually taking a nap, I took a break, laid down in bed for like an hour listening to The Rosie Project on audiobook. So The Rosie Project is the latest book I'm reading. It's about a man trying to find a wife, and he meets a girl named Rosie, and the book is about what happens after they meet and the adventures they go on together. So after listening to the book for an hour or so, I finally decided to actually try taking a nap. So successfully managed to do that and slept until now, and it's like really dark outside now, so I'm probably gonna be struggling falling asleep tonight because I took a nap so late. Hopefully it means I will be semi-productive. I'm likely not gonna have enough time to make a study schedule just because besides making new cards for a pharmacology lecture, I also have to finish doing my reviews for all my previous other lectures in anki, and that's gonna take me a while. So I'm just gonna aim to make cards for a pharm lecture. Also need to eat dinner and everything, and afterwards, if I have time, I'll make a study schedule, but if not, it's okay, I'll just do it tomorrow. So yes, I think I'm gonna get something to eat first and then get right back into studying. Okay, so I finished making cards for a second lecture, which makes me very happy. It means I was actually kind of productive today. So I'm gonna go down to Huff and then mark this lecture as done. And it should be a Y. Okay, it turns yellow. I'm gonna also input today's date. And all I have to do for tonight is to finish all my reviews. And that'll be it.